Same way, we are going to fit a polynomial for the electricity usage again. So standard examples, we'll be fitting it. So see here, create a vector T that contains for each day the number of days elapsed in the first data point. So we are going to see what is the date difference so that after the first data, when is the data coming back again? You're able to understand. So T contains the data, right? So after the first data, when will you find the first data again after how many days? So you see here 0, 31, 59. So at these points, the value of T is going to be same. I'm just finding days of dates minus dates of 1. The dates will be containing all the dates, and dates of 1 will be containing. Okay, so I'm subtracting from the dates will be the first everything. Dates of 1 the first day. So after the first day, when will I get the same reading for the all the electricity bills? Okay, that is what is shown here. Now see fit a cubic polynomial residential usage data as a function of T. Cubic polynomial means you know it is you will give the order as 3. Okay, and I'm going to use the centering and scaling information. So see here polyfit T comma residential comma the third order polynomial. Then I am evaluating the polyval and I am plotting. The same thing what we have done for the last example, I am doing it here. So I am going to, what I am doing, I am going to fit the third order polynomial to my electricity data, and I am using the centering and scaling information, and I am plotting the same thing after evaluating the polynomial. I think this should be correct. You see, the average value is plotted, and the polynomial is going to give the average third order polynomial I'm going to use. So it is going to be a polynomial fit for my function. What is the summary? We have studied about the use of two functions, polyfit and polyval. Polyfit will fit data to the polynomial. Any degree you can give, one means linear, 2, 3, 4 you can have, and polyval will evaluate the polynomial for the specific points. And you can plot the same thing using MATLAB, using the same graph to see how the both the things are going to be correlated or not. And if you use centering and scaling data, you can avoid random variation of data. So whatever centering and scaling you got for polynomial fitting, you have to use the same thing for polynomial evaluation also.